Welcome to a commercial property that has everything you need to bring your business to life. Let's start with the 3,400 square feet of retail space. Come on in. Need workspace? The 1,800 square foot heated workshop is ideal for year-round use.
And storage won't be a problem here. You'll have 4,300 square feet of covered storage space to keep everything secure and organized.
It also features a 1,400 square foot retail rental unit, perfect for generating passive income or leasing to a complementary business.
And let's talk potential. With 5 acres across the road, you've got room for expansion, outdoor operations, or whatever you can dream up.
Whether you're growing your business, starting fresh, or investing in a high potential property, this is the one.
We'd love to show you around, so give us a call today.